Karpagam Institute of Technology. Karpagam Institute of Technology started with a grand vision to deliver brilliant engineering education to students, is affiliated with Anna University, Chennai, and is approved by the AICTE. The learning experience at our college is one of a kind. The college is very proud of its high-tech labs, well-equipped classrooms, and an outdoor stadium. The students are asked to explore, experiment, and develop their skills, which in turn improves the confidence and comprehensiveness of the concepts. The college is proud of its seasoned and dedicated faculty who impart engineering concepts and theories to the students through technology-enabled aids. The institution is also known for its collaborative programs, centers of excellence, and industry associations that are arranged for the students through professionals from the industries so that they can gain practical lessons. The college also provides an excellent, cozy hostel facility for boys and girls. They would feel more at home in this serene atmosphere. Placement training is important in determining students' professional objectives. The college, taking this into consideration, provides the right kind of exposure, rigorous training, and support to make them achieve greatness. And our placement records at Karpagam Institute of Technology speak for themselves. Karpagam Institute of Technology is the place where students are taught to meet their challenges ahead with enthusiasm. By its excellence, they bring laurels to the college. Come and learn, where education is so much more exciting. Karpagam Institute of Technology.